Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm out today taking a little ride on the Honda CT125, taking some back roads and taking it easy. Just got out of that surgery, so I've only been recovering a couple weeks. Probably on the bike a little too early, but it's kind of hard not to ride. And man, I'm telling you, I'm so slow, I think everybody's wanting around me, so I'm gonna pull over and let them go by. I'm too slow for these people. Another one coming that way. Here comes the dust. But trying to take it easy after the surgery, so I am on dirt roads, but I want to be careful with the potholes. Man, this is like there's another car coming back there. What in the world? Dang dust. My goodness, hopefully that's the end of them. But definitely want to thank everybody for their prayers. I really appreciate it. Appreciate everybody that's done the super thanks and donated money to help me out. That's a great thing that people will do that, and helps my channel, especially now, because I'm actually, my only income is my YouTube channel. And when you're gone in the hospital for as long as I was for the surgery, there ain't much income because when you stop making videos, the views drop big time, drastically. And when the views drop, your money goes down every month, so the paycheck ain't very big. So, but I have faith in the Lord to take care of me. We'll do good. This is kind of rough right here. It looks like it, I think it's just dried dirt that hard and cracked up. I thought it was like old asphalt, but that's dirt. It's just dried and cracked like crazy. I hope these roads, or this road that I'm on, goes on through. I don't know. So we're gonna find out. Shows it on the map. There's a big ditch. Gotta take it easy on them. Don't want the pain. Another one. Some of these roads are pretty bad. There's no county maintenance out here, and it's just is what it is. If you want to grade it, you got a tractor, you can, but otherwise it don't get graded. As you can see, look at the rut in this road right here. Pretty bad shape. I see horse hoof prints up through here. The road goes on. There's a lot of roads here. You can ride, if you just want to ride dirt roads in Arizona. Whoa, what's that sand? And you don't want to ride real off-road, you can ride these dirt roads for days. They just go on and on and on, all over the place. I've been on lots of them, and I still ride lots of them that I've never been on. They're just everywhere. That old sand is soft, especially at slow speeds like this. I'm only doing 16 mile an hour. Well, my speedometer is off because of my gearing, so I'm probably doing slower than that. I'm at 4,600 feet in elevation. Not nearly as high over there as Carr Peak over there. Carr Peak, Ramsey Peak, Montezuma Pass over there. Ain't somebody flying through here. Well, this road looks better maintained here. This may be county maintenance. A lot smoother. Quite a few people live out in here. Oh, paved road. And a big bump before it. Let's see where we're at. I don't know. Look at that road. Now that road, I was telling you about no maintenance. Look at that. There's a ditch all through here. And that whole road is a ditch down through there. Is that crazy or what? 25 mile an hour. I don't know if I can get this thing up that speed. Just joking. This baby will do 90. If you take the chain off and roll it down the mountain. I don't know if it'd go that fast then. It may never gain that much speed. Monsoon Ranch. Okay, which way to go? Which way to go? Go this way. Let's just go down toward Hereford Bridge. We're cooking. Doing 45, 43. I think I need to air my tires up. I'm gonna pull in here and check the air in these tires. So if y'all want a good air compressor, I'm telling you, I have reviewed a lot of these mini air compressors, and this one is by far my favorite. I've done lots of them. I mean, probably, I don't know, 10 or 15 different ones, and this one's by far my favorite. I love this thing. I'll post a link in the description too, you can check this out. But it's really cool, super easy to use. Hold the button down, power it on here. Set it on what you want. I got it on 22. Screw the little hose on here. Recharge it by USB-C. The little hose just goes right in there. Take it out, screw it on right there. We'll put it on here. It's going to tell us our air pressure. It's kind of hard to see in the bright sunlight, but I can see it good. Yeah, we're not bad. 21. I thought it would be way lower than that. So if you want to air down, that's the coolest part about this, I think. Push this button, you can air down. None of the other ones I've reviewed, any of them, none of them has the air down button, which if you need to air down for on and off road and then air up, this one's it because it's got that button. Super cool. Turn it on. Air it up to 22 here. So it's off. That simple. And it air up a lot of tires on a charge. I actually figured my tires were going to be a lot lower than that. If it's only 21, I wouldn't even mess with it. I'm going to check the rear anyway. But yeah, the Air Moto is an awesome little air compressor. And I still have all my other ones. And they're good. There's nothing wrong with them. They're good. It's just this one here is just my favorite. I mean, easy to use. I like the way the hose stows down inside here. I like it USB-C rechargeable. I like that it has the air down button, which is to me the most important thing, because I like to be able to go out if I'm on the paved road and I go, yeah, I'm 22, so don't even have to air that one. I just figured it's lower than that. It's been sitting ever since before my surgery. We're good. Turn it back off here. Now you just unscrew this hose right here. Slide it down inside there, just like that. Comes with a little carrying bag. I think they do make a case for it, but I would like to get some cases. I have 3 of these, one for each bike. But as I said, Air Moto, and I will post a link in the description. But if you want a good little air compressor for your bike, this is definitely the one to have. It's a really good one. So I guess I'll go ahead and end this video here. Gotta figure out where I want to go now. Make another video. It's a super nice day. It's supposed to be 83 or 4 today, I think. So it's going to be a nice day. And I'm feeling pretty good, so just want to make some more videos. But thank you all for watching. So check out my Nelson Rigg links below. I have Nelson Rigg's tank bag on here. Nelson Rigg, this is a 10-liter dry roll bag, and that's pretty cool because I keep all my inner tubes in there, my tire changing tools and everything, because I have a flat on this, or my 300L is all in that bag. Got my Nelson Rigg bottle holder right here. But if you go to nelsonrigg.com and use the code Woodsman, you'll save 25% off your order. Any orders over $50, which don't take much to be $50, free shipping. So save 25%. Use that code Woodsman. Go to Air Moto. I will post a link below and the code and everything. Thank you all for watching. Catch y'all in the next video. Ride on.